memoryOS is awesome. It's super fun.
It is an AI-powered gamified app compiled and taught by the two-time world memory champion, consisting of hundreds of bite-sized lessons, making memorization skills accessible and joyful to master.
Hi there, I'm Alex, and our team is on a mission to enable spectacular memory in every human brain. By now, it is a well-known fact that an ability to memorize any information in large amounts is a skill that can be learned. Unfortunately, memory improvement market is filled with self-proclaimed experts selling overpriced, talking head videos, which is not how 21st century e-learning should be. People can learn best by interacting and doing.
Memory masters have been writing about the mind palace technique since ancient Greece. It is a real skill used to memorize large amounts of information. This mental storage is created out of environments people live in, and the objects inside are known as loci. With the help of special associative techniques, Mind Palace is used to encode, store, and recall anything. Traditionally, mind palaces are constructed out of well-known physical locations. Their size limitations and shifting objects create barriers for beginners. Thus, it takes long hours of manual brute force to obtain a great memory. That's why we created memoryOS. It is an AI-powered gamified app that implements interactive micro-lessons to support our immersive Mind Palace virtual implant technology, while completing game levels. A mental blueprint of our pre-constructed virtual mind palaces is created in your long-term memory. This then becomes your mental storage. Reliable, pre-made, limitless storage, joyful and easy to obtain, and also works for those with no prior gaming experience. Another component of memoryOS uses the latest e-learning technology, consisting of hundreds of bite-sized lessons, making memorization skills accessible and joyful to master. Compiled and taught by the two-time world memory champion and arguably the best memory teacher in the world. Learn, interact, enjoy. All while drastically improving your memory the fun way. Working with mind connections we already have, memoryOS educates you to structure them to your advantage. Enable your mind to keep all that matters in perfect order. Prior to Kickstarter, we had 33,000 people in our early adopters community. For those that have tried the memoryOS demo, average improvement in recall increased by 70%, with an average increase in recall speed by 60%.
memoryOS is awesome. It's super fun. It's really immersive.
So I have ADHD and 2 kids, and I'm 35, which are all good reasons to not remember anything anytime. And I was really surprised to find out how easy it was to memorize, and I got a perfect score. Right?
I love the various virtual memory palaces that we have to explore.
I tried to apply some of the techniques before this app in my master's program, but this is just so much more efficient and useful and accessible.
So there's something really unusual and refreshing and fun about playing a video game that unlocks powers and abilities that work in everyday life.
The app and the environments were very relaxing, and I was surprised at how quickly I was able to pick up on some of the techniques.
What I love the most is the vivid 3D imagery in the virtual world.
This is a great app, and it was about time to have something like this.
Increase in memory of about 40% after going through the trial, and look forward to the final version.
I've learned some really neat ways that I can remember things that I would never be able to memorize.
In these 45 minutes it took me to finish the demo, I learned more about really useful and, in fact, helpful memorization skills than my entire life before.
It was of utmost importance to me to build a strong core team and especially find the world's best memory expert who happens to be a genuinely great teacher.
Just det, nedvärt. Ja, men nedvärt det. Ge honom en fantastisk stor bull!
flaska tror jag alltså. 826698991.
Jonas Bollesen! Wow!
Åh herregud!
Jag känner mig mer och mer säker på i alla fall att det här är de här månaderna som Galilei upptäckte 1610.
Är helt rätt!
932384626433838.
827 next.
Correct.
875585 next.
Correct.
Next 37.
Yes, all 50, and we have a new world record.
A couple of years ago I had just an ordinary memory, quite mundane actually. When people hear about my memory, they often assume that I am some kind of savant or Rain Man, that I simply was born with a highly unusual brain and therefore can do things that ordinary people cannot. Luckily, for all of us, this is not the case. A spectacular memory is a superpower hidden within each and every brain. And it's our mission to give you the key to yours. You will learn how to remember anything from long speeches and the answers of hundreds of questions to the key content of entire books. You'll be able to acquire a new language several times faster, to remember names and faces and any amount of complicated passwords. You will also get a firm grasp of the whole world geography, put an overview of our entire world history inside your head, remember birthdays, pass exams, and be able to commit to memory anything else that you may find valuable. Using our virtual memory palaces to unlock unprecedented brain capacities in very exciting ways, we want to invite you to become a pioneer, a brave explorer of the amazing new world that this opens up. It is a brilliant opportunity to learn how to learn in the ways of the future.
If you feel that this is an important course, please go ahead and back our project.
And feel free to share this with friends and family straight away, before you forget about it.